Today, I'm excited to share a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity with you. Located in the San Juans and West Sound, off Orcas Island, are two islands that offer the rare chance to own a private archipelago with everything you need. For boaters, the San Juan Islands, as well as the Canadian islands further to the north, are among the best cruising grounds in the world. For sportsmen, they offer fishing, crabbing, hiking, and beachcombing. The environment here is one of unparalleled beauty. Big and Little Double Island are a hidden treasure in this spectacular setting. Only 45 minutes from Seattle by seaplane and a short 10-minute boat ride from Orcas Island. The larger of the two islands is Big Double at 18 acres, with groomed trails and a park-like feel, offering nearly a mile of gorgeous shoreline, much of it mid and low bank with beaches and coves. The principal log and timber buildings were designed by Tom Bosworth, past chair of the University of Washington Architecture Department and well known for his classical Northwest style.
Hey, Ron here. Okay, so this is just a quick update. I'm just going to put a link to Double Island in the description down below. I did a video before. Chris and I were hired to work to do the photography and some drone work on this project, and it just went live yesterday, and I had shown the photos and stuff we'd taken before, and a lot of people were asking where it was, and so it went live yesterday. So I'm going to put the link down below. You can go here and watch this video that Forbes put together. Really tells you all about the property, and then of course there's the photos and all the stuff to do with marketing an incredible property like this. I'm pretty proud of this one. This is a drone shot that we went back on the second day and got and did wanted to get the island close up and to show the ferry in the background and Lopez here. We're kind of in West Sound here, and wanted to show its connection. And so I could, with the lens on the camera and the limitations, I was unable to. When I got far enough back to get the whole island, then everything in the background was so tiny. So what I did was I got up to fill the frame, and then I used the drone, and I took a pano. I was able to turn the camera on my drone I have into portrait mode, and then go out and come in closer to the island and take, I think, 6 shots, and then stitch them together in post to get this shot. So it turned out pretty good. So anyway, for those who were interested in the last video, it had quite a few views and a lot of questions. I just want to do a quick update and say, here it is live, link down below, go there and check it out. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.